Let's see how to strike through text in Microsoft Word. First off, you want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to strike through this text right here. Now, what we can do is first make sure that we are on the Home tab. And from here, you should see this option under the font group that has the letters A and B with a strike through it. And simply click on that while your text is highlighted, and that should automatically put a strike through your selected or highlighted text. Now, if this doesn't show up in your document, what you can also do is expand this entire font group by clicking on this icon right here at the bottom. And you can simply check the strike through box under the effect group. And you should also see the preview down here at the bottom. And to add that to your document, simply click on OK. And that should also add a strike through your highlighted text. I hope it helped, and I will see you soon.